Okay, chapter number 6, that is algebraic expression. First of all, we will see the important terms and definitions which are involved in this chapter. Okay, first is constant. See, what is the definition of constant? A symbol in algebra having fixed numerical value is called as constant. Okay, so just means you read the definition and try to remember it. Okay, a symbol is what? It is an fixed numerical value. Okay, तो फिक्स्ड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू जैसे कि 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 4, 10, 13, these are fixed numerical values. So all these values are what? Constant. इसका वैल्यू चेंज होता है क्या? ये सारे नंबर्स का वैल्यू कभी चेंज होता है क्या? 2 का वैल्यू कभी 3 होता है? इज इट पॉसिबल वी टेक 2 as 3? 2 का वैल्यू 2 ही होगा. So it's fixed numerical value. Constant is what? It is a fixed numerical value. Next is variable. What do you mean by the word variable? First, tell me the meaning of variable. Yes, Harshvardhan. What is the meaning of variable?
Sir, all the alphabets till A to Z is called variable.
Correct. All the alphabets from A to Z are called as variable. But variable ये word का meaning क्या है? I want the meaning of this word.
A symbol in algebra which can be assigned a varied number. Sir, don't know.
Variable means vary होता है. Vary means change होता है. Okay. वेरिएबल का वैल्यू हर इक्वेशन के साथ चेंज होता है, इसलिए उसको हम लोग वेरिएबल बोलते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Sir, in maths language we called 2, 3, 5 as constants. In English language we called constants as ABCD. Huh?
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So variable means its value changes according to the equation, इसलिए उसको वेरिएबल बोलते हैं. तो इसलिए हम लोग वेरिएबल को अल्फाबेट से डिनोट करते हैं, A B C D अप टू Z. ओके, A B C D X Y Z. Okay, so these all are what? These all are variables. Their values keep on changing with the equation. जैसे इक्वेशन बदलेगा उसका वैल्यू चेंज होगा, इसलिए उसको हम लोग वेरिएबल बोलते हैं. फॉर अ वाइल यू जस्ट रिमेंबर व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. ओके, कीप इन माइंड. आपको और क्लियर होगा व्हेन वी विल टेक द एक्चुअल एग्जांपल्स, दैट टाइम इट विल बी मोर क्लियर. तो अभी के लिए आप बस इतना ध्यान में रखो, वेरिएबल्स आर डिनोटेड बाय द अल्फाबेट्स. Now we are having how many alphabets? We are having 26 alphabets, that is from A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z. Okay, so these all are the notations used for denoting the variables. And what does variable means? Variable, a symbol in algebra which can be assigned a varied number. Varied means changing number. Varied means what? Changing number of numerical value is called as variable. Okay, next definition. Next is term. Okay, now what does term mean? The various parts of an algebraic expression connected by plus or minus sign. So whatever things are there, suppose this is the algebraic expression. I am writing it here: 3x square plus 2x plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. So whatever things are there between this plus and minus sign, so here this 2x is what? It is called as a term. This 5 is also a term. Okay, and this 3x square is also a term. तो प्लस और माइनस साइन से जो भी चीजें सेपरेट होंगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ टर्म. The various parts of an algebraic expression connected by plus or minus sign are called as term. I write power. So what happened? Power, no problem. Okay, so 3x square is one term, 2x is one term, and 5 is also one term in this equation. Is it clear to you? The meaning of term? I'm writing one expression. Yes, tell me the terms here. You can raise your hands also. 4x square minus 3x plus 2. Bolo. Who will give me the answer? Yes, Palak.
Yes, sir. The term is 4x square,
Okay. This is one term. Again,
3x,
this is another term.
and 2.
2. This is another term. I will write one more expression. 4x minus 2. Now tell me. How many terms are there in this expression? First tell me that.
Sir, 2.
2 terms are there. One term is what? 4x and another term is what? 2. So is it clear to you what is term now? Any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. See the next definition. Coefficient. Coefficient. The value which is exactly before the variable. Now see, this is the variable. I'm writing one expression. 4x plus 3. तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल कौन सा है पहले वो बताओ मुझे. Which is the variable? Yes, यथार्थ. यथार्थ. Which is the x is the variable, correct? Okay, x is the variable. X variable के पहले value कौन सा है?
Sir, consonant.
Consonant, not 4.
Constant, sir.
4.
4.
The value is what? 4. So this 4 is called as coefficient of x. This 4 is called as coefficient of x. अभी मैं एक और expression लिख रहा हूं यहाँ पे. Yes, unmute yourself. यथार्थ. Akshara will tell me the answer. Akshara.
Yes, sir.
4x square minus 3x plus 2. This is the expression. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x square?
Sir, 4.
Correct. x square के पहले जो numerical value है, that is called as the coefficient. Okay. मुझे बताओ अभी यहाँ पे x का coefficient क्या है? x variable का coefficient. Minus 3. Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Okay. The coefficient of
Yes,
x
sir.
variable is what? It is minus 3. So can you identify the constants, variable, coefficients, and terms in an expression? Now we will discuss few examples.
Yes,
Mute,
sir.
yes, mute yourself. I am writing one expression. 3x minus 5z plus 4. Okay. Yes, Darshana, tell me how many terms are there in this expression?
Sir, there are 3 terms.
Okay. One is what? One is 3x, 5z.
3x, second 5z, and 4.
4. There are 3 terms. Correct. Okay. Now next, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the coefficient of z here?
Z5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Minus 5 is the coefficient of z here. Okay.
Z.
Mute yourself. Next. Yes, Kalash. Kalash.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many variables are there in this expression?
Sir, X and Z.
So number of variables are how much? 2.
2.
Okay. Tell me what is the
Yes.
coefficient of x?
Sir, coefficient of X is 3.
Plus 3. Correct. Okay. So is it clear to you now? Number of terms, coefficient, variable, and constant. Is anyone having any doubt in this 4 things?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. I will send you the PDF file after the session. Don't worry. You copy it from there. For a while now, just pay attention here. Okay, now algebraic equation या फिर algebraic expression का definition देखते हैं. It is what? It is the combination of constant and variables. We have already seen the definition of constant and variables. So it is the combination of constant and variables connected by basic mathematical operators. Which are the basic mathematical operators? Yes, Vaishnavi. Which are the basic mathematical operators?
variables and constants.
Basic mathematical operators I'm asking. Siddhi, bolo.
Sir, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication.
So यहाँ से क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Algebraic expression यानी क्या होता है? It is a combination of constant and variables and which are connected by addition sign, subtraction sign, multiplication या फिर division sign. Is it clear to you? Now I am writing one expression. Tell me whether it is an algebraic expression or not. 4x square plus 3y minus 2. Yes. Anshika Gilda.
Yes, sir. It is the algebraic expression.
Why beta? Why it is an algebraic expression?
Sir, because here constant and variable is connected by the sign of addition and subtraction.
Correct. Constant and variables are connected by mathematical operators like addition and subtraction. So that's why it is an algebraic expression. So is it clear to everyone what is an algebraic expression? Any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, Anshika, can you tell me what is the coefficient of y here?
Coefficient of y is plus 3.
And what is the constant term in this algebraic expression?
Constant term is 2.
Minus 2. Constant term is minus 2. Okay, जो वैल्यू होगा उसके पहले का साइन भी कंसिडर करना है. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पे हम लोग कोएफिशिएंट लिख रहे थे, y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? इट इज नॉट जस्ट 3, इट इज प्लस 3. यू हैव टू टेक दिस साइन ऑल्सो. वैसे यहाँ पे ये कांस्टेंट टर्म सिर्फ 2 नहीं है, इट इज माइनस 2. वी हैव टू टेक द साइन ऑल्सो. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the examples. You can see these are the examples of algebraic expression. 15xy, this is also an algebraic expression in which two variables are there. How many variables are there? Two variables are there. Yes, can you tell me the coefficient of xy? What is the coefficient, Siddhi?
Sir, minus 4 and 16.
No. In this expression, I'm telling 15xy. This is an algebraic expression. What is the coefficient of xy?
Sir, 15.
15 is the coefficient
Yes,
of x.
15.
Okay.
Yes.
Now in this expression, 27x square minus 4y. How many variables are there? How many variables are there? Yes, Lakshmi Nivas. How many variables are there? Lakshmi Nivas.
Yes, sir.
How many variables are there?
Sir, total
First of all, tell me variable किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग?
sir, variables are numbers like sorry, signs like plus, minus.
Wrong. हर्षवर्धन. वेरिएबल्स किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग? हर्षवर्धन जादव. हर्षवर्धन. हर्षवर्धन जादव. हर्षवर्धन.
Yes, sir.
You were sleeping or what, Harshvardhan?
Yes, sir. Sir, that guests are come, so noise is there.
Okay. So how many variables are there?
Variables are 2,
Which are the two variables?
x and y.
Correct. X and y are the two variables because all the
Yes, sir.
variables are denoted by alphabets. So आपको बस ये check करना है expression में कितने alphabets हैं. That's it. Okay.
Yes,
Here
sir.
two alphabets are there, so two variables. What is the coefficient of x square here?
Sir, 27 plus 27.
Plus 27. Correct. What is the coefficient of y here?
Minus 4.
Okay. How many terms are there in this expression?
Sir, 2.
Correct. So is it clear to you the basics of algebraic expression? Tomorrow we will
Yes,
continue
sir.
with the next part. Okay. I will send you the PDF file. You copy all the things in the CW. And tomorrow on time, sharp at 12
Yes,
o'clock,
sir.
you will connect me. Okay.
Yes.
Tomorrow there will be no delay. I will start the session immediately. Okay, Om Jadhav, tomorrow you will get the chance. No problem. Okay, bye to everyone. Have a good day.